Hey y'all.
Welcome back to the flip side.
So we are back at our Fort Worth flip. This is our North Fort Worth flip out by Keller, Watauga area. I was telling y'all about. We are here to check on some progress. They have painted the doors, the walls, trims, things like that. Shout out to Mad Dog for moving demolition. I actually went to school with him. We went to middle school together.
Veteran owned and operated.
Veteran owned and operated, but yeah, we went to middle school together. And he messaged me one day and he was like, "Hey, I see you're flipping houses. You know that I do, haul offs and things like that." I was like, "No, I didn't know." So now we use him for all of our dumpster needs, demo needs, things like that. So if you're in the DFW area and you need some of those services, check out that number right there. Check out the progress that they've made on this house. It's gonna look a lot different from the last time y'all saw it.
So check out the updates.
Sun's in my eyes.
Welcome
back to Flipside Cribs. Come check out our crib. Okay, so I think we started over here in the dining room last time. And as you can see, it is like open, they painted. Leslie went with alabaster in here. Look how like just more open it is. I don't know if this was open the last time y'all saw it, but we opened this area up into the kitchen to just give it a little bit more of like a grand feel. It's hard to see because of this refrigerator in the way. But we opened that up.
We also opened this side.
Yeah,
before that was an arch.
Yeah.
Now it's the rectangle to match the open for the kitchen.
Exactly, I forgot they were arches. Yeah, so that is what we have going on in here. Bright open space. It's just so much brighter. It's so much brighter in here and just more fresh, and it just looks bigger, right?
And as you can see, those stretch cracks have already been repaired.
Oh yeah, they repaired those, yeah.
The doggy door is no more.
Oh, our doggy door.
Or with the kitchen, we were gonna make a huge L. We ran into a small problem with the way it's already laid out. So to modify, we'll just move the dishwasher to this side and move the sink here.
As you can see, the tape is going up, so we're just gonna get these cabinets and everything painted and looking good. Leslie chose a green paint, so we're painting cabinets green. And it's crazy because all of the houses we've done, green is always one of like my exterior colors. I'm like, man, should I choose this one? And green is like one of her favorite colors. So she's always like, go green, go green. So now she gets to actually put some green somewhere. So I'm excited about that. All right, y'all, so here is the master. What were the colors before? Like beige? I think everything was like a beige color, and then this wall was blue.
Notice the popcorn ceiling is completely gone.
Yes, no more popcorn, thank God. No more popcorn. In here in the bathroom, we're gonna take out this vanity and put a really pretty vanity that Leslie chose. And we have the shower demoed. Last time I told y'all we were gonna keep this tub and just get rid of this backsplash. Now we're thinking we're just gonna do a little standalone tub. We're just gonna do that to kind of make this area more modern. I think it'll make it really nice, and then throw some tile around. Leslie came up with some cute stuff, like some tiles, some shelving, things like that. So now we're on the other side of the house with the other 2 bedrooms. Pretty simple. They took out the carpet. That carpet, oh, it smelled like dog stuff. But they took out all the carpet, painted these rooms. We still gotta paint the trim on the windows and things like that. But this room is almost ready to go. All right, here's the other bedroom. New paint, looks a lot larger. Oh, I don't think I told y'all. So she went with the alabaster on the walls and then pure white for the trims and the doors. So the doors and trims are pure white, and again, alabaster on the walls. They painted the closet. Yeah, honestly, it makes the space look so much larger, and I can't wait for us to get here and stage. It's gonna be beautiful. And then in here, I think we decided to keep this and just paint it green to match the kitchen.
Save me some money.
Save some money. We'll just get the top made, the sink top for here. And then, this is still bare because I'm not ready for the tile team to come in yet. But when they come in, we're gonna throw some tile in here, resurface the tub, and get some new flooring. That's really it, y'all. There's really not much more to do in this house. So I told y'all that my friend Leslie came along to basically flip her first house, and the process has been so fun, y'all. We're just sharing mood boards, vision boards, just back to back, just doing like a lot of like, you like this? Oh, do you like this? Oh no, I love this. Oh no, I hate that. It's just, y'all, it's been so fun. She's feeling the pressure, and it feels like good to share these moments with her, because this is how much pressure I always feel. Like, what if they don't like it? What if it's ugly? What if it doesn't match? You know, so it's nice to share that that anxiety, I guess. It's nice to share that with someone else, and besides Dante, because he's like, it's gonna be beautiful. Everything you do is beautiful. It's gonna be nice. It's nice to have someone that understands, like, no, I don't want to hear that it's gonna be beautiful.
Am I lying now?
I want to hear like, you should think that through. Like, it's nice to have somebody to bounce ideas off of. But y'all, she's letting her creative juices flow, and her designs they just look so good, you know. And I think y'all are gonna love this house. And honestly, I'm hoping it's the best one we've ever done. Like, I hope this ends up being the best flip, you know, like it's where we'll be in and out on this one, but since my friend is along, I want y'all to be like, dang, like she never flipped a house like that. Like, that's dope. Because I told her, like, you got it, you have the gift. You should be like right here beside me, or start your own business and be doing this yourself. So I'm excited for y'all to see not only the journey of this house, but the journey of one of my friends coming along and, you know, putting her stank on it.
Appreciate y'all tuning in.
Yes, thank y'all for tuning in. See you next time on the flip side.
See you on the flip side.
Yeah, home is your shelter and it's your
So thank
peace.
y'all for
And on the
tuning
flip
in.
side, it could be unique. A house is your home, let me
Thank y'all for tuning in.
create the right space for you living.
One thing super cool about this flip,
Home is the vision. You see
pull
us
up
flip
all the
homes
same.
from beginning.
So I think Jae
Don't
owes
see
us
it now,
10.
just give it time.
Hello.
Fix homes,
Yeah,
and see you on the flip side.
Next time.
Oh, that's next
I
time.
will pull up on the next episode.
Side.
Okay. We'll hold on to that. Literally.